daily self-care practices. I've developed a few self-care practices that I try to stick to every day, even when it's hard. Here are some that have made a real difference. Mindfulness and meditation. I start each morning with 10 minutes of mindfulness. Focusing on my breath helps me center myself, giving me a calm space to begin my day. It's a way to observe my thoughts without judgment, which is vital for someone with BPD. Journaling. Writing down my thoughts and emotions when I'm feeling overwhelmed helps me process them. It's like a brain dump that releases the tension inside. I also make it a point to jot down what I'm grateful for, which shifts my focus toward positivity. Exercise. Moving my body, whether through walking, yoga, or a gym workout, helps release pent-up energy and stress. The endorphins from exercise lift my mood and make me feel more in control. Creative outlets. Art has been another important outlet for me. Painting or crafting allows me to channel my emotions into something tangible, helping me process my feelings in a healthy way. Boundaries. Setting boundaries has been hard but essential. I've learned to say no to people or situations that drain my energy. Prioritizing my emotional well-being has allowed me to build healthier relationships. Support network. Surrounding myself with supportive friends and family has been crucial. Having people who understand my struggles and are there to listen helps lighten the load. The impact of self-care. Self-care has transformed my life. I've become better at regulating my emotions and understanding my triggers. Instead of reacting impulsively, I've learned to pause and apply the tools I've gained through mindfulness and reflection. It has also improved my relationships. When I take care of myself, I'm more present and engaged with the people I care about. Self-care has reduced my anxiety and depressive symptoms, and while I still have tough days, I feel more prepared to handle them. Most importantly, I've learned that asking for help when I need it isn't a weakness, it's a strength. If there's one message I'd like to share with anyone struggling with BPD or mental health challenges, it's this. Make self-care a priority. Find what works for you and make it part of your daily routine. It's not just a luxury, it's a necessity. You deserve to feel good and create a life that reflects your worth. Healing is possible.